What's up, everyone? I want to give you guys a little bit of a life update because a lot of exciting things have been happening and I feel like I should share. So first off, I just got back from Iran. I went back to my favorite country in the world. I spent 2 weeks there, going from the northwest in Tabriz to the southeast in Balochistan. It was incredible. I was traveling with my local friend Amin and 2 of his other Persian friends, and we just had an absolute blast. I have incredible stories about culture, about humanity, about world wonders, and please stay tuned for the next few weeks as I'll be sharing with you those beautiful stories. In other news, as far as the travel update goes, I'm here in the US for the next few weeks. I'm probably going to be heading down to Belize because I got an offer from the president to meet him and share his story and cool things happening in Belize. I'll be in Dubai briefly for a work trip, probably not going to film much there. And then I'll be in Europe almost the whole summer. So I'll be based in Prague, but I'll be traveling around making stories in Europe. So if you have any ideas for stories, please comment them below. I would love to hear from you. I'm always looking for awesome stories to tell, as you guys know. And yeah, I'm really excited for the content coming up this year. Even though I've grown my team and I have, a lot of people that I manage and that are on my, on the books, I still really want to focus and double down on making the best stories possible. So now that I've finished every country in the world, I feel like the next chapter for me is just to focus on the story, not the country. So it doesn't really matter where I go, whether it's back to Chad or it's Uzbekistan or it's Bora Bora. I just want to tell the best and most compelling stories about humanity and culture. So if you guys have any thoughts, please let me know in the comments below. And I would also love to hear from you guys. So comment below, let me know where you're from, share some love. If you're from Toronto or from California or from, I don't know, Rwanda. I do these videos for you guys, to inspire you guys to travel. And so the more I hear from you, the more value I get and the more fulfilled I get. And yeah, I feel like a lot of people are like, oh, are you going to stop making content? Are you going to focus on the next thing? And I'm like, no, I really want to just keep it going. I want to just continue sharing the beauty of the world, because with all the crap happening right now, there's still so much beauty to be shared. And I want to be the person to share it. And I want to thank you guys for coming to my channel. It's been a really incredible experience for the last 5 years to be able to share stories from around the world, and I'm really blessed to do this at 30 years old. I have 10 million followers on social media. It's bizarre, it's wild, but this life definitely is a little bit stressful, and I have a lot of anxiety just in general, but it's all worth it in the end. So as of right now, I feel like I'm rambling. I just wanted to do a quick short little update with you guys, so stay tuned for amazing Iran content. Please get the Just Go app on your phone. I promise you guys will absolutely love it. The link is down below. It's for free on Android and iPhone. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you're all doing well out there. See you later. Bye-bye.